In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Fossil promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Fossil promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see this website, Retail Me Not. So you're gonna click on it. So once you're on this website, you're gonna see many promo codes for September 2023. So the first one is get a $25 off your art, $75 plus. So let's say you're purchasing something which is over $75, you're gonna get a $25 off. So you can click on it, and this is the code. So all you have to do is copy. It's gonna copy the whole code, so you won't have to type it out and waste your time. Then you can click continue to this Fossil website, which you can click this link, and it's gonna take you to their website. You can then choose your products you wanna buy, and then use this code at checkout. There are many other codes you can see. For example, extra 10% off on all orders above $50, so you can click on that. And same, this is the code for that, so copy and do the same steps. So there's another code, additional 25% off your order, so this is gonna give you 25% off, add 25. So yeah, so you can copy and use it at checkout. Now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, you can head over to this website, CouponFollow. So once you're on this website, you're gonna see many codes again. So the first one is enjoy 10% discount when your orders are above 50. So this is the same code we saw on the other website, and do the same steps, copy and go to checkout. There's another code here. Get $10 discount using this promo code. So this is a promo code, copy and continue to their website and use it at checkout. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.